everybody, welcome back to my channel. Happy winter in Australia, happy summer, almost summer in the US. Those are my two places I keep up with. And happy season to everyone else, wherever you're from. I find that I go through chunks of time sometimes where my skin or my hair is just off, and I figured rather than hiding under a rock while my skin is struggling, as you can see, with all the little scars pockmarked everywhere, I thought I'd just kind of come on camera anyway. I haven't really been taking my skincare as seriously as I usually do. I don't really have a super serious skincare routine anyway. Like, I keep it pretty simple, but I just know that lately I haven't really been sticking to even that, and it's kind of showing. And that's okay. But this video was just kind of a nice relief to sit down and do, because it is the first time that I have actually filmed a video this year in 2026. I have really missed filming, and this is the first one I've sat down to film, and now edit and do a voiceover for. So yeah, I've had I think 6 months-ish, 7 months-ish to settle back into it, to gear up for it, and now here we are. Settings aren't quite perfect on this camera. As you can see, the lighting is a little bit funny, but bear with me, we're getting it sorted. I'm just so excited to sit down to film again. I couldn't resist it. Like, I feel like it's something that just irks my brain until I do it. So I've been a broken record to everyone around me lately about getting back into filming, and now here we are. Yay, thank you for being patient. Thank you to the people who left comments on my last video. It was so nice. I really appreciate seeing them. Like, it's so much fun. So here we are. First video of the year that I've filmed sitting down. I'm running out of so much makeup, so I was fighting for my life with this concealer. There's like nothing left in it. I was trying so hard. But today, on this day, I just kind of went into experimental territory. It's not going to look very experimental by the end. Brace yourself. It'll look, you assess that. But for myself, I was using a brow pencil I've never used before. I was using the white, well, it's not white, a super light concealer on my lids. It's the NARS Soft Matte, which I don't usually use either. I just wanted to see how I liked it. I was using super thin layers of face products and having fun with it, just kind of seeing where it goes. I noticed that I am the type of person, when I do my makeup, I bounce around to different things out of order, if that makes sense. Like, I never finish one, at least not usually. I don't usually finish one feature or one aspect of my face all at once. Sometimes I'll take a step back or like pull back my perspective, and I feel really like pushed to address one area and then bounce back to the other and then just go in between. So that was kind of what I was doing on this day, while just taking note of how not receptive to makeup was my skin was. I can't talk, sorry. Like I said at the beginning, like, my skincare routines went off, and just in general, like, my skin has been going through it. I think it just happens. And so makeup just did not want to sit on my face. Like, in between my eyebrows, all of the breakouts I had active, the lack of moisture in the skin, and all that to say, like, there's nothing wrong with that. Like, skin's allowed to look like skin. And that's not to say I'm not learning either how to deal with it. But anyway, I've really missed being at my little makeup desk. I've missed filming. So we started off with just really, really, really thin layers of face products for the skin and complexion. I used the Curve Case by Made by Mitchell to do my cheeks and the bronzing. This is the Makeup by Mario Neutrals palette. I really, really enjoy this palette. I have been looking for a highlight shade that is similar to the highlight in this one for a long time now, and I think I've finally found one that I'll be able to show soon. I think I want to do a video soon of like my absolute favorite things that have just been probably out of the last 2 years, maybe. They've really, really cemented their way into my world, into my makeup world. And that Neutrals palette from Mario is one of them. Same for the Made by Mitchell Curve Case, but maybe that's too much of a preview. We just need to like sit down and film the video. Yeah, my skin is just not receiving makeup this day. It's just not exfoliated enough. I didn't prep it well enough. I could probably shave my mustache, but that's okay. How are y'all doing? I'm like cooking up so many ideas to film. My brain just has a hard time executing them. This is the plight, isn't it? But that's okay. I really, really want to film like a favorites video. I really want to film maybe like a dupes video. I love dupes, especially after I stopped working at Sephora in Australia. I knew that some of my holy grails from Sephora were things I wasn't going to want to be replacing. So I found dupes for those things and have ended up, in some cases, liking the dupe better. So I thought maybe it'd be fun to do a video of something like that. Let me know what y'all think. I also wanted to film a little haul from a shopping trip I did yesterday. I went to Daiso yesterday. I finally went to a Daiso for the first time in Australia ever. I think that might be inaccurate, but I used to go a lot back home in Texas. And this was the first time I've been to one here. It made me so happy. So I got like 2, 3 things. Oh no, I got 4 things, you guys. I got 4 things from Daiso that I'm so excited about. Would you want to know what they are? Should I show you? Yeah, I really tried to not like this eyebrow gel, the one from Benefit, the 24-hour brow setter. I've really tried to get away from it, but I had one little sample left that I used this day, and I just remembered how much I love that brow gel. Anyway, sorry. Jumping back and forth. But yeah, I have some things from Daiso that I could share with you and gush about. I think I might show you guys. They're not beauty related, at least not all of them. So you'll just have to bear with me. I took the plunge into the Marilyn Monroe collection that Lisa Eldridge did. I was ecstatic that she came out with this. Marilyn Monroe was the first icon that I registered in the beauty world that I wanted to just soak up every piece of information about that I could. I used to buy posters for my room. I used to buy a wall calendar of Marilyn every single year. And that was around the time that YouTube was really taking off as well in the beauty space. And Lisa was one of the first beauty YouTubers that I watched over and over and over. I even used to fall asleep to her videos. I would just have them on all the time, me and my twin. And so when this collection came out, I just thought, this is so like kismet. This is so lovely. And I just really wanted to purchase a few items from the Lisa Eldridge and Marilyn Monroe collection. So I think those might be the next video that you see on this channel. let me know if you want to see that. I'm really excited to share it with y'all. And other than that, I guess we'll just see each other very, very soon. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.